Are you ready for this? Check out how we make our beef jerky. We start out with these beautiful eyes of brown. We run them through our slicer and we get every piece cut just perfectly. Now it's time to go in for our marinade. This is the Chipotle marinade that we spent 16 different batches till we got this just right. There's no sugar, it's gluten-free, it tastes amazing. So we take every little slice of jerky and we lay it out on these stainless steel racks. This entire place is cleaned every day, so everything is super spotless clean. Until we get it dirty with all the Dano's Chipotle. But yep, we hit it with the pop, the Dano's Chipotle on every piece. We throw it into the smokehouse, smokes for about 3 to 4 hours. Today we made about 1,000 pounds. I'm telling you guys what, if you want to try some of the best jerky you've ever had, we partnered up with Pat's Beef Jerky, and this is absolutely that yum, get you some. Let us know what you think.